at how much candy I have. I bet I have more than you.
No way. Feel how heavy this one is.
Whoa. It is pretty heavy, but not as much as mine.
Hey, who lives in that house at the end there? I don't remember seeing that house before.
Gnarly! Check out the awesome Halloween decorations.
I'm not sure those are
Wow! Check out that awesome old piano they have in there. Maybe we can ask to play it.
Wait for me.
Trick or treat!
Well, no one's home.
Sheesh, these people take their Halloween decorations seriously.
Look, there's some old sheet music on the piano.
Let's go home, guys. I don't think anyone's here.
Well, then they won't whine, will they? Let's hear a song. Man, they've even got sound effects and everything.
It was you. Come fuoco, come frio, voltare, cieco, e sale,
Oh no, are you okay?
What happened?
Don't you remember?
Hey, why does this look funny? I can't read any of it and...
Oh no, you don't. Not that again.
But wait, I think I've forgotten how to play?
She must have cursed you.
Yeah, I think she was speaking Latin or something.
Ooh, it's the curse of the Tritone witch. Subito, Forgetto. Ah, and it's Italian, dummy.
Hey, I'm no dummy.
Well, I feel like one. This music looks like Greek to me. It took me years to learn what I've learned so far. How will I ever learn to play again?